Alright, quick walk around on the mini bike, keep getting questions. It's a DB30 Doodlebug, stock 212, Hemi, just a governor delete, that's it. Clutch guard. I do my chain tensioners like this, up and down, so I get a lot more adjustment instead of that side to side. 420 chain, center exit exhaust with a little fake dirt bike muffler. PZ 27 carb. Mountain bike brake, kind of works, kind of don't. A little half-gallon gas tank. Amazon special front suspension. Some risers for wheelies, BMX bars, Sun F tires. We got the plate so I can get full adjustment, move the motor around. I believe that's it.